Hi guys, it's ModelBuilder039 here. Today we are going to be unboxing the FN Scaro Airsoft 400 feet per second. So we've got the gun. It comes with the grip. Do not return this product with a store slip. And the mag. Put this off to the side. So, here's the gun. It's got two flip-up sights. I don't know if you guys can see it, the sights, but here's the gun. And we're gonna do a shooting test, so I'll be back when the shooting test starts. Hi guys, I'm back with the shooting test. So, here we go. Well, there you have it guys. That's the FN Scaro airsoft rifle. It's very accurate too.